Gates open, they're up and racing. Boardwalk moving up, Supercharged final judgment. Lakewood, Pag-asa, then in between runners comes Laon Laan, final impact. Pearl of the Orient running third last, second last Orthodox, while Candy Crush is in behind them, heading towards the half mapo. Now we have final judgment, the leader by 3/4 of a length lead over Supercharged in second, then racing in third is Laon Laan, final impact running on the outside. Pag-asa, moving up in between runners is runner number 4 Lakewood, and trailing them is entry number 3, and that's Candy Crush as they race at a 4:50. It's final judgment, Supercharged running by the rail. Final judgment, Supercharged down on the inside, charging in, and out a stretch they come with final judgment, Supercharged moving up by the rail to grab the lead. Now we have Supercharged takes the lead, Pearl of the Orient rushing up to grab the lead, and finally Pearl of the Orient, Supercharged, Laon Laan. Then comes Lakewood and final judgment.